In this video I'm showing a 5-ton heat pump that I have for sale on Facebook Marketplace. I bought it from my mother's house, but she doesn't like how tall it is. It's about 42 inches tall. So she just doesn't like the size, and she wants to stay with a 3-ton split system. This is a package unit where all you can do is run return duct back from the house into the back of the unit right down there. And you hook your supply duct here going out to the house. There's no mechanical equipment under the house. It makes servicing this thing a lot easier. Again, it's a 5-ton unit, so it's going to be it's not going to be adequate for your typical size mobile home. It's really designed for mobile homes or houses with crawl spaces. It's going to be too big for most houses and most standard size mobile homes. This is a 5-ton unit, so it's for the largest mobile homes and the largest houses. Square foot wise, we take 600 square feet per ton. You can figure out if you what size tons you need using that number. But again, this unit's a very large unit. You don't want to use it on a smaller house because it'll turn off too easy and your humidity will go out of control. As you can see, it looks pretty clean inside. It's running right now, and it was manufactured in. The manufacturing date is right down there, January 2019, and I was told by the previous owner that it's set for a year because he didn't need it, and so it's probably been used less than 6 months. And I'll put a video, or excuse me, a screen clip of this nameplate on the Facebook Marketplace ad so you can read it. But I also found the manual, the installation manual online, so I'll send you a link to that or give you a copy of that. Right now it's running in cooling mode. It's running in cooling mode, and I'll show you what the temperature is. Down to 55, 54.5, 53.7, 52.5, 51.8, 51.2. 50 and a half. Seems to be stabilizing at about 51. So I'm down to 50. Oh, there's 50, 48, 49.8. So it's cooling about 50 degrees right now. The reason it's cooling so well down to pretty cold air is because the outside air temperature is 66 degrees. This is a return. Heat up. The thermostat says it's 66, so this will come on up to 66. I'll show you the thermostat instead. So here's the thermostat I'm using it with. I've paid $20 for this heat pump thermostat. It says 66 degree outside air temperature right now. So it's cooling from 66 down to 50 degrees. So that's about what, 16 degree delta T. So if your inside temperature is 70, it would cool down to 54 degree air. So just wanted to show you that it's working. And that's in cooling mode. I'm going to switch it over to heat mode. It's going to, it just shut off. I'm going to switch it to heat and see if it operates in heat. It has a 5-minute delay timer, so I'm going to stop the video now and I'll restart it once it starts up in heat mode. Okay, I'm now testing the heating function of this 5-ton heat pump. Sometimes it helps to read the directions. I had to find out that I had to put a jumper in this thermostat, even though it said said the term was not used. Anyway, I added a jumper wire and now it's working. So you can hear it run. It's in heat pump mode. The amps being drawn is 21.4 amps. It's a little higher than it was in cooling mode. The temperature output from the blowing pretty warm air, feels good. again. Sorry. Again, it's dark out here. So it's operating in heat pump mode right now. The air coming out the cold is pretty cool. So everything checks out. This unit's working 100%. So I think it's a pretty good deal, personally. Thanks for watching.